Good morning, students. So this is the first class of class 11 and this is the introduction class, and it is a bad luck that we are not interacted face to face in this first class. So in this period or in this session I will try to explain you why we should take computer science in class 11. So computer science or computer application, it is nothing than a education system in which we can apply or we can use the other subject through computers. That means each and everything nowadays having computerized. So you must have the knowledge for computer so that you can apply your knowledge in different sections. That is the main reason of using computer science or taking computer science or opting computer science in class 11. So if you are going for the syllabus section, then the complete syllabus is divided into 5 units, that is the computer organization, data representation, programming in Python, DBMS SQL and the cyber safety. The first one is the computer organization. The computer organization, in this unit you will learn about the hardware and the software of computer. That means what टुगेदर नोन एज ए कंप्यूटर, सारी वो कौन सी चीजें हैं जिनको मिला के हम कंप्यूटर कह सकते हैं या फिर कंप्यूटर के हिसाब से हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं. दैट थिंग इज नोन एज, दैट थिंग विल बी टॉट इन कंप्यूटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, आई थिंक फ्रॉम क्लास 6 or 7 you are using computer, you are learning computer. The same thing will learn in a broad category. In a broad side we will learn how the computers work and what are the different equipments of computers, how the hardware works, how the software works, what are the different hardware, what are the different softwares. All these things can be learned in this computer organization. In the second part, that is the data representation, how the data is represented in computer. All of you know कि whatever we are going to do, we can store the thing or we can save the thing or we can manipulate the data. In each and everything the word data comes and the data is represented. किस तरह से डाटा कंप्यूटर में काम करता है या फिर कंप्यूटर में स्टोर होता है या फिर प्रोसेसिंग होता है, that thing is known as your data representation. Or in previous classes you may note about binary number, and you must know about each and everything in computer is manipulated or in processed through binary digit, that is zeros and one. So in fact, what is this zeros and one, how the data is represented in zeros and one, how it is converted in zeros and one, all these things will be learned in your data representation. The next thing is a third chapter is your, or the third unit is programming in Python or programming using Python. Here Python is not a snake. The Python is a software or the Python is a programming language. Don't afraid or don't scare of this Python. It is very friendly Python. Okay. So this is a programming language. As the name says, programming. The program is nothing than collection of instruction. Collection of instruction in the sense, a single instruction is nothing than an order given to the computer, according to which the computer will operate or execute some task, that is known as an instruction. A set of instruction or a collection of instruction is known as a program. A set of instruction or a collection of instruction is known as a program. Now programming is the process of writing set of instructions so that we can solve our problem. That means in day-to-day life, whatever problem you are facing, if you want to solve that problem using computer, then you have to develop a program. Now collection of this program is known as a software. Clear? So when we are developing a software, we need two things. One is the front end, another is the back end. One is the front end, another is the back end. You can easily understand this front end and back end is that जो आप लोगों के सामने है वो है फ्रंट एंड, जो आप लोगों के पीछे है दैट इज बैक एंड. Now all of you have been using internet and many applications you are using on internet. Now in front of you a web page is there or a home page is there or a website is there. But in fact whatever you are enter through that web page or whatever data you are getting from that web page, that must be stored somewhere else. That is the back end where the data has been stored, that is known as the back end. So for developing any kind of software or any kind of web page, we need two kind of softwares. One is your front end, another is your back end. The front end is always a programming language, whereas the back end is a database management system or SQL. The database management system is nothing than the organized way of storing information in computer. It is nothing than the organized way of storing data in computer is known as the database management system. Now together the programming language and a database management system, we can develop any kind of software. The next is the cyber safety. The word cyber is nothing than information technology or internet or computer safety, whatever you can say, and safety. How we can save or how we can make our computer safe, our website safe, or our application safe. This is known as the cyber safety. So throughout this year we will learn about these 5 chapters in which for the computer organization, in which we will learn the theory part, what is computer, how the computers work and all that thing. In the second, data representation. This is a very interesting part in which we are going to convert each and every data to binary format. That means some calculations are there, some logical calculations are there, some arithmetical calculations are there in this data representation. And this programming in Python, we have to write down the logic in which your logic part will be developed, which can be used in physics or mathematics or many other subjects. If you have a fine logic, you can clear up your logic, then you can use that logic in other subjects also. And here we will learn how the data will be stored in an organized way. And this is the person where we can make our data safe. I think for the introduction part this much is enough. Later on we will learn about the computer organization in the next session. Okay, thank you students.